What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to update your Ninebot scooter. Any Ninebot scooter is suitable, the newest version, oldest version. Here's example on F2 Plus here, so it's connected to the app already, to the Ninebot app. And what you need to do, usually you will have this like new updates firmware found and available, indicator on down below. But also, if you want to do it manually, you go to the settings, you go to device information, scroll down, as you see, check the firmware update here. Then you have to click update now, or usually you click check and then it's checking whether a new update is available. If it is available, then you just click update now, so you can only update all together. So it may take over 10 minutes. Please schedule update properly. Okay, let's try it now. Update now. And then you will see this updated version, how it looks like. Firstly, download master controls and battery. It takes around 10-15 minutes and you will see all the progress here. And after the progress will be over, I will be back to you. Okay, so you see it's almost done. Actually, the master control already updated. The battery is also updated, so firmware updated, finish. And then you have the new updated version. Nothing need to be done, I guess. Okay, so you see the sound. Click back. Now you have new master control version, new battery control version. You can click check for updates. Actually, all up to date here. No new updates available. You cannot see the version details and everything is working. Let's disable it after update and enable. So no issues, everything done. That's how you can simply update your Ninebot scooter.